Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to go for a test drive in a 1936 sedan. This one here has a 318 under the hood. Should be a decent test drive. What I like to do is point out any kind of flaws so you know exactly what you're getting when you get here. We do this with every car on the lot. I want you to go on over to maplemotors.com. Check that out. I do have financing and shipping available. We post cars almost every day, so hit that subscribe button. And also that notification bell if you want to see cars for sale. All right, guys. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Okay, before we take off, gonna look around the interior, check some stuff out. Oh yeah. A little loud out there. I'm gonna start it up. Starts up nice and easy. You can see the engine's cold right now. See if our gauges are working. Oil pressure gauge is coming up, and it looks like it's sticking a little bit. We'll watch that temperature gauge rise. The gas gauge looks like it's working as well. The tach's working. We'll be checking the speedo out. It does show mileage on it, but you can't stand behind this. It's a 36 model. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works? We also have an electric fan switch right there on the dash, and I don't think that one's hooked up to anything. Your wipers are right here. Let's try them out. They work. And your horn, you ready? Horn works. First one this week. We got a B&M shifter in the floor here. The interior of this thing is in great shape. Looks pretty cool. Let's take off down the road and see how she runs and drives. All right, so we're gonna take off down the road. Anything that I see, I will let you know. That's why we do these videos. Power steering's working nice on this one. Do have a tilt column, which is nice to have, and an open road. There's no seat belts in this one either. You have to have seat belts added. Let's see here. Car is pulling a little bit to the left. If I straighten it up, drive a little bit, it starts wandering over to the left. As far as steering goes, as soon as I turn, it turns. I mean, instant. So that's nice and tight. Our speedo is working, coming up on the dash. Temp gauge is working, so is the bolts. Let's see if we have it kicked down. Checking our brakes. Brakes are stopping fast. No kick down on this one. They didn't hook it up. But it don't necessarily need it. It's pulling nice and strong. And this car's pretty light, so. Go ahead and try our turn signals. They are popping up on the dash on both sides. A little bit of rubbing I hear coming from that front left tire. All right, we're gonna pull in this parking lot here and go ahead and get some outside shots. We'll drive over the camera, put a light on the ground, light up the undercarriage. Give you an idea what it looks like driving by. You can look down below in the description. I have Amazon links to everything that I use to make these videos. Definitely check that out. And I'm also gonna do a walk around video pointing out any kind of flaws on the outside. I'm about to pull up right here, turn the car a little bit in the sun, and start this walk around video. So be sure to check it out as well. Engine temp sitting around 180. Oil pressure's at like 25, 30. The gas gauge is kind of floating around, so I know it's working. All right, let's do this. All right, guys, so I noticed there was a seat belt shoved up in the seat. I didn't dig around and find it in the passenger seat, but I got it here on the driver's side. I knew we had this side, but this one was hidden in the seat. So we're gonna take off here. I noticed the temperature is at 180, oil pressure's about 25. You give it some gas, it shoots up to 40. We're gonna take off here. The brakes are very sensitive, I noticed that. Doesn't take much. They were kind of grabbing here towards the end when I went to do the drive-by video. I'm sure you'll hear that in the video. Tranny's shifting good on this one. Still got that slight pull to the left. It's very gradual. Hey guys, I want to thank y'all very much. We hit 200,000 subscribers. It's all because of you and sharing the videos, helping me out, getting the word out. Word of mouth is one of the best things that we have going up here. And I want to thank y'all very much. I did hit a goal and I've been trying to achieve that. So 200,000. Let's set another goal and see if we can make it to 3. I really like the hood ornament on here. It's like a naked chick laying like Superman. Yeah, I noticed if you get into the brakes hard, they almost lock up. You can see that in the video. I went to hit the brakes real hard when I come up and park the car sideways. Speed bumps right there. Took that pretty good. It was nice and smooth. So we got sensitive brakes. And of course, if we can get to it, I could try to have my guy look at them and see why they're so sensitive. He's a good brake guy. The tire's still rubbing up here in the front left. All right, we have made it back to Maple Motors. Did I mention January 4th is going to be crazy? That's when we're doing the next update. We're skipping this week. We're going to take 10 days off, do the Christmas thing with the family, and literally put 20 to 30 cars. I don't know exactly what we've got right now, but we're going to put 20 to 30 cars on the website. January 4th, so check that out. I'm pulling back in the lot right now. I'm gonna grab another car and we're gonna take off and do another test drive. Why not? Look at them tearing our nice new lot up. We always gotta have something going on. All right, I appreciate you riding along with me. If you have any other questions, go to maplemotors.com. There's close to 100 detailed pictures of this car and every car on the lot. We've also got financing and shipping information available, so I want you to check that out. And of course, every Monday we try to update the website. We're skipping this week because of Christmas, and we're gonna load y'all up with a fresh batch of inventory. I have some really cool stuff coming your way, and I'm kind of saving them. I haven't made the video on them yet, but I'm real excited to. I think y'all are gonna love it. We'll be doing a fresh walk around of all the new inventory January 4th, as well as 2 super fast cars. One of them is the fastest probably we've had in Maple Motors history. So be sure to watch for that. I want to thank y'all for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you're new. And thanks for helping me hit that goal this year. Really appreciate it, guys. Y'all have a good one. I'll see y'all later.